Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to automate deleting list members, whether you want to automate some list members or all of them. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is we will create a module. This time I'm going to create a system module and I'm going to dimensionalize it by the list that I want to delete members from. So let me create a system module. I will go ahead and remove time as a dimension, and I will also add a line item that says delete question mark. This will be formatted as a Boolean, and then let me go ahead and add a currency mode, and then I'm gonna say okay. So once I get there, I'm going to go ahead and format this as a Boolean, like I said before. I'm gonna say okay. Now I'm going to show you how to remove some list members if you don't want to delete everything from the list. So let's see which currencies are we gonna remember if it's out. So let's remove the euro, the pound, and let's also remove the Mexican peso. So now we're going to go to our actions, and then we're gonna create new action, and once we get there we're gonna click on delete from list using selection, and over here I'm gonna name it delete currency. You can name it however you want. I'm just naming it this for simplicity. And then we're gonna say delete from this. So let's search from the currency. You can type out the first letters if you know the name of the list. And then let's select the line item that we created. So now here you gotta remember, if that module that you created doesn't have the dimension of the list you want to delete from, you're not gonna see this. It's gonna be completely gray. Or if of all the modules there's no module that's dimensionalized by currency or have a Boolean in it, it's gonna also be gray. So let's click on this and say okay. Now our action is somewhere, let me see. Okay, here it is. It went to the top. So now we're gonna run this. Remember, we deleted the British pound, the euro, and the Mexican peso. So let's run the action. Okay, and so 3 items were deleted, as you can see. And now let's go to the system module details, and as you can see, we don't see the British pound, we don't see euro or peso. And let's even go to the general list and open the currency so that you can see how it works. So let's open it. And so once we get there, we're gonna search for the British peso. As you can see, there are no results. We can search for Mexican peso, it's not there. And we can also search for euro, and it's not there. So the action was successful. So you might be wondering, what about if somehow you want all list members to be deleted without deleting the entire list, because maybe you want to re-upload the data to the list? So if you want that, you can come here and just say true in the formula and inner. And when we go back to grid view, it didn't go back. Okay, you can see that everything is selected, and so since everything is selected, we can go back to actions. And let's go ahead and run the action again. Okay, So 27 items were deleted. As you can see from the currency list, there isn't any list members there. There isn't anything at all. And then from the sys02 currency details, there are no list members as well. So let me know what you think. Follow me for more videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.